Then we are going to create one for loop and we are going to draw a rectangle when we detect a face. Okay. So for x, y, w and h. Now x for horizontal axis, coordinate on horizontal axis, coordinate on vertical axis, w is the width and h is the height. For x, y, w, h in faces. So we are going to iterate for all the values here. Whatever the values we have obtained here, we are going to iterate all those. Now for this, we are going to draw a rectangle around the face. So one method is there which is cv2.rectangle, which helps us to draw the rectangle. Okay. Now here we need to pass image on which we want to draw a rectangle. Then you have to pass the start point. Start point is x comma y, and end point. You also need to pass the end point. This is my end point. X plus w and y plus h. X plus w means it will draw a rectangle till the last point. So if my x is 0 and width is 3, then it will draw a line from 0 to 3. Okay. So this is the first point, this is the last point, and you can give color to your rectangle border, and also you can define the thickness of the rectangle. So let's give thickness 3. Okay. Now the next part is I'm also going to do face detection. Along with face detection, lip detection, that is smile detection, and eyes detection. Okay. So for that, now I'm going to create a 2 n-dimensional array. So my region of interest. My region of interest is lips, that is smile, and eyes both. For lip or smile detection, color information is important, but for eyes detection, color information is not that important. So we are going to create a 2 n-dimensional array. One will contain the coordinates for grayscale image and another will contain the coordinate for color image. So let's create 2 n-dimensional array. Region of interest gray, and here it will contain all the coordinates. Okay. So this is the range. This is the range function. So this is from y to y plus h, from x to x plus w. Okay. Then next region of interest. Now for color. Okay. Now this is code ready for face detection. Now let's do for eyes detection. For eyes detection, again you need to use one method which is eyes, which is equal to I dot detect multi-scale. So detect multi-scale is a method which is used for detection of eyes as well as face. But what we are going to pass here we are interested in only the gray image. Okay. So that's why just copy paste this and pass all these coordinates, this array here. Then again we are going to create one for loop. In whatever the parameters we have obtained here, we are going to iterate them now. And let's draw rectangle around eyes. So here region of interest, comma, we will pass the first coordinate, that is ex comma ey comma last coordinate ex plus w comma ey plus h. Then we will set the color. We will use different color, and also thickness. Okay. Now with the help of this code, we will perform eyes detection. Now we want to perform smile detection as well. The code is quite similar. Smile dot detect multi-scale and pass region of interest. But here we are interested in color image. Okay. So I'm going to pass these parameters. Again, same thing we have to do. Let's iterate all the values. In. Now draw a rectangle around lip. Okay. I forgot to write here region of interest gray. Okay. And here region of interest is color. Then again the first parameter, which is s x comma s y, and then the last parameter sx plus w comma sy plus h, and then set the color comma 0 comma 255 and set the thickness. Okay. So with the help of these three lines, we can easily detect the smile. Okay. Now let's create one window in which we can see the output. cv2.im show. First give title to that window, which is face, smile, eyes. This is the title. And let's pass our input image, and then finally we will write the termination logic. Until the key is pressed, if k is equal to 27, break. And finally we will release video capture. This object we will release, and we will destroy all the windows. Okay.